Hey everyone, Tanner here with Phone Skope. Let's talk about our new Phone Skope Gift Bundle. In this gift bundle, you're going to see 4 items. We've got an awesome small Bluetooth speaker, tiny in size, but it packs a big punch on the audio quality and volume. We've also included 2 power banks and a multi-use charging cable. Let's start with our 10,000 milliamp power bank. This thing is small, compact, and built extremely well. It has 2 charging ports. One's a USB-C and the other is the micro USB. Also has 2 different out ports, so you can charge 2 items at one time. With the 10,000 milliamp, you should be able to charge most of your cell phones up to 3 or 4 times on one single charge. What's really awesome is that both of the out ports operate at a 2.1 amp. The second power bank is a smaller, more compact 5,000 milliamp power bank. As you can see here, it has 2 of the different inputs, so you can charge via USB-C or the micro USB. On this power bank, it has 1 out port, and that's charging at 2.1 amps. So as you can see, they're both slim, low profile power banks. As you can see there, the 5,000, not quite half the size, but it is about half the weight. In that kit, you'll find the multi-use charging cable. On this cable, you'll find a USB-C attachment, an iOS or Lightning cable. Inside there is also a micro USB, and then your standard USB charger. The Bluetooth speaker comes in a nice compact cube. On the bottom, it's got a textured feel, so it's got a nice grip. On top, you've got your speaker. On the back side, there's a small light here that will show you if it's charging or when you're searching for a Bluetooth device. There's your charging port. On the bottom, you'll find the controls. You got the power button and then your audio. Turning it on and off, just press the power button here. If you're looking for a nice compact package with multiple charging possibilities and great sound, check out the Phone Skope Gift Bundle. You can find this at phoneskope.com. If you have any questions, drop us a line, support@phoneskope.com, or give us a call, 800-790-4480. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell at the top to be notified when we post a new video to the channel. Let us know what you think about this in the comments below. We're going to give one of these away, so drop a like, comment below, and we'll select randomly one of the comments in the video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.